Welcome to the Cooking General. Man, I had a homeboy call me today. I think y'all be calling about these recipes. Y'all can do this stuff, but y'all just want to see me just do it. Y'all want me to do it right. I can't do nothing else. Hey, the hurricane out there, but hey, it's getting weaker and I'm getting stronger. He said, man, do a taco soup. I said, a taco soup, that'd be pretty good. The hurricane swirl this, I'm gonna swirl this soup up for you. Come in, let me show you what you need. First of all, we got some bell pepper I diced up, some orange, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some onions. I got my taco seasoning, got my sauce, salsa, rotel. I got my diced tomatoes and green chilies. Now, I'm gonna put some sausage, this jalapeno sausage in mine, and then I got about a pound and a half of ground meat spanking right there. You got your corn, 3 kinds of beans, black beans, pinto beans, and your kidney beans. Man, I'm telling you, Cooking General finna hook it up. And I know you can do this here, but if you want me to do it, hey, ain't nothing else I can do. It's a hurricane out there. La vida la loca, baby. Welcome back to the Cooking General. We got this taco soup going, man. Ooh, it's smelling good. Off in here, up in here. You know what I'm saying? Come and let me show it to you. Now, a lot of people don't like, I like to add my vegetables right away. I put the red peppers, I put the red bell peppers, the green bell peppers, onions with my sausage off in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this brown. I'm gonna brown this in. When I brown it, I'm gonna strain it, and then I'm gonna mix my taco seasoning in it. That's how I do mine. Now, over here, I got all my canned goods that I showed y'all on the first half on there. It's all in there. That's the corn, the beans, everything. Everything I showed you is already in here. I'm gonna add my meat when I drain it and get it taco seasoning at it. I'm gonna put it in here, and then we're gonna bring this in. Right now, I just got this just simmering. I got this actually on medium cooking. So, man, y'all get ready to come back, man. I'm doing this, man. You know what I'm saying? Cooking General here. Check this out, boy. Is on, man. Come check this out. All right. I put 2 packs of taco seasoning in my meat. And I got my sausage, see, I got it cut round. And now, you got this here simmering, so you want to go ahead and add that in there. And it's about done, because I simmered this here burger all the way done. I drain my meat, you know what I'm saying? You want to get all that in there, get it, all that goodness in there. Oh, look at that. Get it in there. All right. Now, take that there, we're going to mix it in there. And this here been going on. Man, this taco soup is smelling good. It's smelling good. Oh. Now, check this out here. What you want to do, when you get this here done, you put you in some in a bowl like that. And see, I got plenty of meat in mine. You getting plenty of meat and sausage. What you want to do too, you just want to just get real funky with it and make it look all good. You add your little cheese on top of it. Just a small amount, just to make it look pretty. Like that. Man, look at that. You can serve it with crackers or tortilla chips. I prefer tortilla chips, but some people like crackers. Man,